Well, hello, my legendary children. I'm back again. But surprise, I'm not on top of my fridge because, let's face it, I'm crawling up there every time. For what? 2 extra views? I'm gonna sit my ass down to my original setup. And I got some McDonald's and I had Subway earlier. So that video will be out. That was part 2 of Subway. And tonight here, what is that? Oh. I got some McDicks. Fucking all cut no McDicks. So let's get into this. Let's see what we got here. I have no idea why the double cheeseburger combo is cheaper than the McDouble combo. Doesn't make any sense. Been saying that for a while now. I'm like, is it a mistake? Yeah. Got a junior chicken, 10-piece nuggers, and I forgot to ask for ketchup, because I'm stupid. I am fucking stupid slut. Ooh, it has been so hot here, guys. It is like, that is some flat ass pop. Gross. Okay, I got the poutine up in here. What is going on? This doesn't even look like they... I was gonna say, it doesn't look like they even heated it up. Where's the quality anymore? Tell me, guys. Where's the quality? So I got... They gave me the wrong barbecue sauce. Fucking ignorant sluts. They gave me all the wrong dips. Every fucking time. Can they get anything fucking right at McDonald's to put a fucking order together? I'm sure a robot could do a better job. I asked for 2 barbecue sauces. Not this barbecue sauce, the new one. Never can get anything right. I asked for 2 spicy buffalo. Can't do anything right. It's probably a bunch of fucking kids that don't want to work. Don't know what work is. Oh, she's living over a couple sauces, mama. But it's like, seriously. Pull it the fuck together. Give the right shit. I don't even really feel like eating this now. I don't feel like doing a mukbang. Gave me flat pop with 1 ice cube in it. Wrong sauces. That's not sparkling at all. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Every time I use Skip, I complain. At this point, I think I'm just going to delete the app. That's what I think is going to happen. Because the last time I ordered, they left it downstairs at my entrance. And that's not where I asked it to be delivered. I asked for it to be delivered outside my door. That's why it's called delivery, right? So I messaged them and I said, I'll pay for my Subway, but I'm not paying for the tip. If you can't follow the instructions, then you don't deserve your goddamn tip. tired of that. But when I use Uber, I don't have problems. Always with Skip, it's something. Now this surprisingly came fast tonight. It is a Wednesday night. There was a fireworks show in Vancouver here. But, guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't want to do a goddamn thing. If I'm not camping, I just want to stay at home. I don't desire to go into the city. I don't desire to go to the beach or go. Pride is coming up, and I said to my friend, I'm not. I have no interest in partaking. Now, I've been like that for a long time. Most years, I don't go and celebrate Pride. There is a couple years where I did, when I was with my ex or my family was visiting. Then okay. But I don't desire to be in crowds and 99 people everywhere. Forget it. Just forget it. I'd rather stay home and be alone. I'm like a hermit. I'm a hermit, mama. Gave me the wrong dips. Piece of shit. Well, at least they didn't give me no dips. I've had that before. I've had it where I've ordered like nuggets and they forgot the nuggets. They put the sauces but no nuggets. Or they've given me no sauces at all. Like, I might have to go down there and get a goddamn job at McDonald's myself and show them how it's done. Let old girl teach you. Let Triple T teach you. Let me show you how it's done. Oh. No. I always order from this particular location because everything on their menu is cheaper than every other. What delivery systems are big in? Because I know a lot of my viewers are from the United States. I'm guessing it's Skip as well in the States. Skip the Dishes, Uber Eats, and DoorDash. Those are the three we have here. And then there's also a Chinese delivery app. Panda. I'm not sure. No, it's not Food Panda. Fuji. Anyways, what do y'all have in your city or town or wherever you're living? Oh. This is probably going to be the last mukbang for a while because I have no money, and probably pretty soon I'm just going to be having rice for dinner. Unless y'all want a rice for dinner mukbang, then I'll do a rice for dinner. Mama, she's crazy. I'm also sweating like a pig. Sweating like a piglet. Oh. So unhealthy. That's why I've been liking A&W lately. Their consistency is better, to be honest. I'm full. I really wanted a fizzy pop. You know, a pop which is fizzy. Oh my god, have I been on here for 10 minutes already? Jesus Christ Almighty. Jesus Chemical Christ. No, I've been putting up too many videos right now. With too many videos comes too little views. People get overwhelmed. They don't know what to watch. But I will tell you one thing. I'm full. I'm full as fuck. I am full as fuck. I'm full sideways. You guys know I love my sideways. Recently I was watching a show last night, and this guy said, use the term, and I was like, oh my god. He's like, no matter what I have to do, I will cross the finish line. Even if it means I have to cross sideways or something like that. I was like, yes, God. Yes, Mama. So back to work tomorrow. And thank God, because there's air conditioning at work. You can see it's like now midnight and it's like still 23 degrees outside. We're in a heat wave right now, and it's been exhaustingly hot. Just exhaustingly hot. I'm not really feeling this McDonald's. I don't know why I got it. I really don't know why I got it, guys. I have this ordering addiction. I'll just order until suddenly I'm like, oh, you don't got any money left, Michael. Like, out of fucking control. Just out of control. Okay, I'm full. This pop was flat as fuck. I didn't get my sauces. And I wasn't too into that burger or the poutine. So I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to go watch a show and call it a night. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that button below. It costs you nothing. Subscribe, like, comment, share it with your friends, share it with the world. Share, share, share. Make Triple T an international mukbang superstar. Yes, mama. Oh, pardon me. Catch you on the next one.